Hey dear viewers, welcome back to Mr. Tech Fox. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to solve sound problems in your PC. So, make sure that your sound bar is 100. If it's not showing, then I'm going to give you a solution. Okay, so to check this, normally you have to click on this sound icon. If the icon is not visible here, then you need to click on this arrow icon and then you need to choose it from here. And make sure that you have selected this soundbar to 100, and if it's not showing, then follow my next steps. Okay, so you need to click on start icon and here you need to search manage sound devices and then you need to open it, and here you will see all the output devices of your PC, and now you have to enable all of them. You can see that I have already enabled all of them. So you also need to enable all of them. And then you have to check by clicking on test icon. If you are hearing any sound, then your sound devices are started to work. So that's all about today's video. I think this video is going to be very helpful for you. Thank you for watching and stay connected with Mr. Tech Fox. See you in the next video.